Whether you're making a morning espresso or a silky latte, Swan Espresso machines are designed to make every cup effortless and delicious. To make the perfect coffee, you first need to fill the water tank to the recommended level, then use the scoop provided to measure your grounds. Use 1 scoop for a single shot or 2 for a double shot. You can also use a double shot to split the coffee across 2 cups. Add the ground coffee into the portafilter and make sure it's level and clear of any loose grounds around the rim. Hold the tamper and apply firm, even pressure to compress the grounds for consistent extraction and a full, rich flavour. Lock the portafilter into place. Then start your extraction for a smooth, steady flow of espresso and a rich golden crema. Now let's froth the milk using the steam wand. You can use any kind of milk including barista-style oat and almond options. Whichever you choose, pour slightly less than you need as it will expand while steaming. Insert the wand before switching it on. Make sure you begin just below the surface to add air bubbles. For a latte, submerge the wand deeper for a smooth, silky texture. And for a cappuccino, keep the wand closer to the surface a little longer to create a thicker foam. When you've finished, swirl the milk gently and pour it slowly into your freshly brewed espresso. An integrated frother makes it even easier to get perfect results every time. Simply fill the container with milk to the fill line, slide it into place, and adjust the dial to froth. Make sure the milk outlet is aimed into your cup and let the machine do the rest. Great coffee starts with a clean machine. To get your machine sparkling again, you'll need to clean the steam wand immediately after frothing. Give it a short burst of steam into a cup and then wipe it down with a damp cloth. For the integrated frother, rotate the dial to the cleaning icon. Place a cup underneath and press clean. Water will start to flush through automatically. Make sure you clean any leftover milk in the container too, as this will help prevent the buildup of bacteria and odours. For a deeper clean, remove the drip tray and portafilter and wipe away any leftover coffee from the brew head using a damp cloth. Empty the portafilter by gently tapping it on the edge of a bin, then rinse everything in hot soapy water.